to write you this song. 2 hours a day, 5 months and a year. Oh, I loved you too long. You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt?
Hey everyone, so we are at Waikite Hot Springs, really close to Rotorua. Little man's out in full force, and it's pretty cool here. There is a lot of steam, a lot of hot water. It's really cool. It's completely natural. So yeah, check it out. Looks pretty cool.
You keep blowing me out, I keep holding you in. I keep asking myself, oh, why do you still hurt? Why do you still hurt? Still rolling the dice, still hoping to find a future for me. I'm still in this fight. I pray for the night to go easy on me.
So as you can see behind me, with all the steam, this water is so hot. It is beyond boiling, and the natural pools, or the hot pools down the path, are actually fed completely from a natural spring. So this water is completely natural, and it's amazing. Beautiful scenery. Highly recommended. It's actually so hard to film here because the camera keeps fogging up, and it's so hot. That thing is bubbling like crazy. So it's pretty hot under there. Pretty hot. So this is what you see when the wind's not blowing, and then it's gone, and then all of a sudden everything is engulfed in steam. But that is a little bubbling geyser, and that